Big changes. The new Audi S5 2025 is presented. The new Audi S5 is faster and more elegant than its predecessor. The all-new model is finally out, and it replaced the old A4 badged models and come along with spicy S5 performance version. The S5 Sedan features a dynamic and powerful exterior design, marked by a wide single-frame grille, slim headlights, and distinctive rear features. All-new Audi S5 has a more practical tailgate instead of the traditional trunk lid. In other words, it's effectively a replacement for the old A5 Sportback. With slim headlights and configurable OLED taillights, the new Audi S5 looks modern and sleek. The modified proportions, with a long wheelbase and low, sporty body, emphasize the car's athletic character. The rear of the new S5 Sedan combines sporty, emotional design with intelligent technology, featuring sculptural geometry and a continuous, three-dimensionally offset light strip. This is the first car underpinned by the Premium Platform Combustion, PPC. The all-new S5 is bigger than its predecessor. It's plus 167mm long and carries a plus 180mm wheelbase. For the new generation, Audi has opted for a flatter and wider iteration of its single-frame grille. The rear light bar has 8 patterns to choose from, while wheel sizes vary from 17 to 20 inches. The cabin of all-new S5 has been completely overhauled, and now there's a screen just for the front passenger.
Perfect.
It measures 10.9 inches, making it smaller than the 14.5-inch infotainment and the 11.9-inch driver's display. Inside, the all-new S5 Sedan offers a digital stage with the Audi MMI panoramic display and a configurable head-up display. The quality of the materials has been greatly improved, and the head-up display is 85% larger now. The new Audi S5 Sedan offers a cargo volume of 445 litres, with the rear seats in place. The S5 Sedan is powered by a 3.0-litre V6 TFSI engine with 270 kilowatts, 367 PS, featuring a turbocharger with variable turbine geometry and the advanced MHEV Plus system. Audi has replaced the old torque converter gearbox with a dual-clutch auto. In addition, it has added a 48V setup, while all-wheel drive continues to be standard. The reinvented Audi S5 family goes on sale this month, but deliveries won't start in Europe until November.